Ho'oponopono for money. How to clear out limiting negative beliefs around money. Take a dollar bill, or if you don't have a dollar bill, whatever denomination of currency you have. It could be a coin, it could be a penny, a nickel, whatever, a quarter. Or if you don't have any coins or dollar bills or $5 bill, whatever, print out your bank statement. Print out, you get some representation in the physical of how your money situation is. For me, I'm taking a dollar bill between. Now this idea just occurred to me just a few minutes ago, and I just started doing it. As soon as I did like this and said, "I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you," I felt an immediate rush of energy. So, hands in prayer position at the heart center. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Do it a lot, do it a bunch. I can tell you, back when I was delivering Chinese food, when I was doing this a lot, when I was doing Ho'oponopono a lot while I was driving, and I was also doing the prayer of bounty from Howard Will's forgiveness prayers. When I was doing it consistently, I started getting better. I remember one day, man, I got like a lot of good tips. And then things started going well, and then I would stop, right? And then, well, things started not going as well. So the thing with these kind of practices is when you do it for a while and then you start to notice that things are getting better, you got to keep doing it. Okay? So yeah, dollar bill, nickel, your bank statement, whatever. Write it down on a piece of paper if you can't print it out. Whatever it is, man, just write down the word money on a piece of paper. Like this. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Or if you feel like you're poor and you've got a bunch of ratty clothes, you'd like some new clothes, open your closet and put your hands out at all your clothes with holes in them or whatever. Just, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Do that a lot, do it a lot, do it a lot, do it a lot, do it a lot. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. So what this does is it's I'm acknowledging that the reason I don't have as much money as I would like to, or as much money as I need, or whatever, is because I have negative limiting beliefs around money. And this is a method to clear out those, because those negative limiting beliefs live in the subconscious mind, right? The subconscious is subconscious. It's out of one's awareness. So it's acting on an unconscious level. It's acting under the surface. It's going on under the surface, right? It's like a pathogen inside the body that's causing some ailment. You can't see it, but it's there, and it's nagging at you, and it's bothering you, and it's, messing you up in all kinds of ways. Nefarious. So yeah, that's it. Ho'oponopono for money. Get her done.